Hi, I'm David Wellis. I'm the CEO of FreMon Scientific, and I'm excited to be here amongst all the cool companies. So FreMon Scientific basically builds medical devices for precision thawing of biomaterials and life-saving therapies. So this all started when the founder of the company came to me 10 years ago, a decade ago, when I ran the San Diego blood bank, and he had this idea, can we thaw plasma without a water bath? And I said, that's a great idea, go work with the lab. In the meantime, I ran the blood bank, I spun 2 other companies out, didn't keep up with them at all. He texted me in December just to kind of give me an update of the 10 years, and he has this amazing product now that basically is patented, 8 patent families. It's FDA approved, class 2 medical device. Lots of traction in the military. It's on 33 naval ships. It's in hospitals. At the end of the coffee, he said, and I need a CEO. And so I've known him for all these years. I decided to become CEO of the company. And then what I bring is more of the hospital, blood bank, and cell and gene therapy aspect to the company. So super excited about the state of the company and where we're going. So it's super cool because it replaces the water bath. And the water bath you wouldn't think of as a technology, but it's something that hasn't been addressed in 100 years. It's how plasma and cells and everything is being thawed. It's imprecise, it's suspect to contamination, maintenance is a pain in the neck. It just blows my mind when there's such specificity and precision in making, say, cell therapies. Control rate freezing into the freezer, but when the patient needs it, they just throw it into a water bath. And it's just so needed both in hospital, cell and gene therapy, and all these different IVF clinics, veterinarians. So it solves that unstandardized, really messy last step before these materials go into a patient. So the founder actually was from Massachusetts, and he came to San Diego mostly because he heard about the very fertile financing area. So he came here 9 years ago to found the company, and he's just been raising money. The company's really interesting in the sense that all these 10 years that it's been in existence, it's been completely funded by high net worth individuals, so convertible notes and safes, no institutional investment, which is where I'm used to. So it's really interesting. So we've got this product, market risk is mitigated, the product risk is mitigated, and now we just need to take it to the next step to develop the Generation 2 instrument and develop a commercial strategy. It's a really interesting time to join the company. So I was surprised. So this is my 5th week as CEO of the company, and I consulted for about a month before. And I want to say 1 week before I officially joined CEO, the founder forwarded me this email saying, "You're a cool company." I'm like, oh, that's awesome, because I've been in San Diego for 20 years. I know what the cool company thing is, and this is what this company needs. It needs exposure. It just needs to be known. So I look at this as just a great opportunity to be with this amazing group of companies, but also to be kind of recognized by Connect and the board. I think it's just a good validation of what we're doing.